Hello, it's BrickBros UK, and if like us, you're a big fan of the silly Darth Jar Jar Star Wars character who appears in lots of memes, online clips, and theories, you're in luck. Because we've managed to build our very own Darth Jar Jar minifigure from regular LEGO parts and pieces that would be great to add to a collection for a fun, silly extra. So if you'd love to learn how to put this Darth Jar Jar together just like we have, you can check out our easy to follow tutorial at the end, which has a nice breakdown of all of the parts we used. But before we get to that, let's take a closer look at our new Star Wars creation. Now for a simple solution, you could just add a Jar Jar head to a Darth Maul, Emperor or Darth Vader body, but we wanted our version to have a cool, unique outfit. So on our minifigure, we started by combining the black SITH Trooper legs with a Super Commando Mandalorian torso, as we find the awesome gunmetal and dark red markings marry up nicely to create a quality armoured outfit with a belt in between. We also swapped the grey Mandalorian arms for the black SITH Trooper ones for a better evil colour scheme across his body. And we picked up the cape along with the red lightsaber from Darth Vader, but you could find these accessories on other minifigures. Then to complete the SITH, we added the Jar Jar head from the AAT set minifigure along with the hands to continue the high quality design of the character. So that's how we created our Darth Jar Jar minifigure, which as you've just seen has turned out quite well for a fun, silly Star Wars build. We also thought it made sense to show you guys how you can bring this fan-inspired character to life in LEGO form, because he'll never appear in a real set. And we love how the Mandalorian torso print combines with the SITH Trooper legs to give our Jar Jar a decent Darth Revan style unique design. But if you don't have the same parts, you could always get creative and use a Darth Vader, Darth Maul or Emperor Palpatine body to make your Misa Evil Sith your own way, which would be great too. So thanks for watching guys, and if you want to know how to put a Darth Jar Jar together just like ours, you should watch on now to check out the all important build tutorial. So let's cue the music and get this tutorial started. And that's the end of the build, which has hopefully helped you create your very own Darth Jar Jar minifigure, or maybe you've used it as inspiration to make one even better. Hope you enjoyed a BrickBros UK LEGO minifigure creation, and don't forget to check out our channel for more of our fun LEGO builds, and like, comment and subscribe to BrickBros UK.